Hey everyone! Feeling a bit drained? Is your skin looking a little dull? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into the refreshing world of facial mists and how they can elevate your beauty routine. In our busy lives, it's easy to forget the importance of keeping our skin hydrated. A facial mist can be your best friend, helping you refresh your skin and boost your glow throughout the day effortlessly. 1. Facial mists are light sprays designed to hydrate your skin, often formulated with various ingredients. Today, we'll focus on natural options like rose water and aloe vera. Point 2. These mists not only provide hydration but also help set your makeup and give you that beautiful dewy finish. They're fantastic for soothing irritated skin. 3. While there are great store-bought options available, making your own facial mist is super easy and allows you to choose exactly what goes on your skin. Point 4. Our top picks are rose water for its soothing properties and aloe vera for hydration. Both are gentle and suitable for all skin types. 5. You can spritz it on any time after a workout, during a flight, or even while working at your desk. It's a quick and easy pick-me-up. Ready to make your own facial mist? Here's how. 1. Start with a clean spray bottle. 2. Mix 1 part rose water with 1 part distilled water. 3. Add a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. 4. Shake it well, and voila! You've got your refreshing facial mist. Quick tip: don't overdo it. Using too much mist can leave your skin feeling damp. Always patch test new ingredients to avoid any allergic reactions. And that's it. You now know how to rejuvenate your skin with a simple DIY facial mist. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips. https example.com facial mist 1 https example.com facial mist 2 https example.com facial mist 3 Hey there, beauty lovers! Are you feeling a bit dull and tired? What if I told you there's a quick and easy way to refresh your skin anytime, anywhere? Let's dive into creating a fabulous DIY facial mist. In our busy lives, keeping our skin hydrated and glowing can be a challenge. That's where facial mists come in. They're not just refreshing, they significantly boost your skin's hydration and give you that healthy glow we all crave. Plus, using natural ingredients means you're treating your skin right. 1. For your facial mist, opt for natural ingredients like rose water and aloe vera. They're fantastic for hydration, and soothing rose water helps reduce redness, while aloe vera calms and moisturizes your skin. Point 2. You can spritz your facial mist throughout the day after a workout, on a hot day, or even over your makeup. It's like a refreshing drink for your skin. Point 3. Personalize your mist by adding essential oils like lavender for a calming effect or a few drops of lemon for a brightening boost. Just remember to patch test first. 4. Making your own facial mist can save you money compared to store-bought options, and you'll know exactly what's in it. No strange chemicals. 5. By creating your own mist, you help reduce packaging waste. It's a small step, but every little bit helps our planet. Ready to whip up your own facial mist? Here's how. 1. You'll need distilled water, rose water, and aloe vera gel. Optional, a few drops of essential oil. 2. In a clean spray bottle, combine 1 part rose water, 1 part distilled water, and a tablespoon of aloe vera gel. If you're adding essential oil, just a few drops will do. 3. Give your bottle a good shake to mix everything together. 4. Hold the bottle about 6 inches from your face and spritz whenever your skin needs a boost. Stick with distilled water to avoid impurities. Keep it simple, a little goes a long way. Too much can make your skin feel greasy. Keep your facial mist in a cool, dark place to help it last longer. And there you have it, a simple way to keep your skin refreshed and glowing. If you loved this DIY facial mist idea, give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more beauty tips and tricks. Is your skin feeling a bit thirsty? Let's quench that thirst with a quick and easy spritz. Today, we're diving into how you can refresh your skin anytime, anywhere with a simple DIY facial mist. In our busy lives, it's easy to overlook our skin. A facial mist is more than just a nice treat, it's a boost that keeps your skin hydrated and glowing. Plus, using natural ingredients means you're giving your skin the care it truly deserves. 1. Facial mists instantly hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling fresh and revitalized. They're perfect for those long days when your skin needs a little extra love too. Ingredients like rose water and aloe vera are gentle yet packed with nutrients. Rose water calms irritation, while aloe vera provides deep hydration and suits all skin types. 3. Make your facial mist uniquely yours. Want a calming scent? Just add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Feeling a bit sun-kissed? A splash of green tea can be both refreshing and soothing. 4. This DIY facial mist is incredibly straightforward. Just mix your ingredients, pour them into a spray bottle, and you're good to go. It takes only a few minutes. 5. Keep your mist in the fridge for an extra refreshing kick, which also helps preserve the ingredients longer, ensuring your skin gets the best treatment possible. 1. Gather your ingredients: 1 cup of rose water, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, and any optional essential oils. 2. In a clean spray bottle, mix the rose water and aloe vera gel. 3. For a lovely fragrance, add a few drops of your chosen essential oil. 4. Shake gently to combine everything. 5. Spray on your face whenever your skin feels dry or needs a boost. Don't overdo it. While it might be tempting to spray often, too much mist can make your skin feel sticky. A couple of spritzes are just right. Always check for allergies. Do a patch test, especially when trying new ingredients. And there you have it, a simple way